When you do that, magically, the magic happens now, all of your people will be invited. I know, right? Check marks in front of everybody. But just as important part now, pay attention. Because you don't want to look like an automated bot that's going to be doing this automatically, which would be very, 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 very bad. What you want to do is you want to just randomly uncheck a bunch of people, 4 or 5 or 6 or, 7 or 8 or 9, or just take some of them out. Like so, and like so, and like so, and like so, and just takes them out. And then when you do that, you go ahead and you click save. And then when you click save, every single one of the people that you did not invite, and you did invite, will automatically be sent an invitation to this Hangout, this event that you just created. Pretty cool, right? I know. So, here's the next thing I wanted to go over with you. Creating a Hangout inside of Facebook is not really as hard as it seems. You can't do it on your regular page. I'm going to assume that you already have a fan page. So what you need to do is go to your fan page, which is different than your main page. You can have all the same information, obviously, but it's just a different setup. As you can see, there's all these little buttons and tabs here, which you can find and you can make on a fan page, but not on your regular page. So what you're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make one of these exactly like this, where it says Hangout, so that when you send out emails, you can in fact send out a link to this particular Google Hangout, Prosperity Google Hangout, right here inside of Facebook.
Hey, this is Adam.
I know, right?
Next couple minutes,
So this is the button that we need to do. So right inside here you see Prosperity Hangout on 8 o'clock. So what we do is this. You got to click on, if you have more than 3 or 4 or 5 of these, you have to click on that. You have to click on Edit to change your settings. You want to change the image. Obviously you don't want something strange. So what you need to do is you need to upload an image that's going to replace this one here. So I can just go delete image, and then I can go edit and click choose image, which is why I had that picture before that didn't go. It's got to be a JPEG. It can't be a PNG. If you have a Mac, it automatically creates PNGs. It has to be a JPEG, and it has to be 111 by 74 pixels. So inside of your whatever you use to edit your pictures, you want to make sure that it's first a JPEG, saved as a JPEG, JPG, and then it also has to be a 111 by 74. And there you go. So once you got that, then you can close that page, and you can say OK, and say it changes it. And now you want to click on this part right here, and then you want to click on admin mode. And what you want to do is you want to set up your website, this Facebook tab, to go to the link where the Hangout is going to be. Pretty cool, right? So again, we'll go back to the copy that we did. And the Prosperity Hangout page is going to be right here. So I showed you an example of what I did. The prosperityhangout.com/ in your username. I put my username in here, and I created a short link here, which brings you to that particular link. And also you can, of course, do the same thing with your Power Network join link. What I did is I made a domain name called joindavedoovie.com. I know, right? Just like that link there. So on the Prosperity Hangout link, you want to copy that, bring it back to here in Facebook, paste it, and you want to leave where it says allow scroll bars.
Hey guys, Dave Sharp here, co-founder of Empower Network, here with Dave Wood. And
Here's what I wanted to
Oh,
tell
look
you.
at that.
Right
That's a
now,
different one
this is
completely
exactly
anyway.
why
Anyway.
we're shooting this video is because we're here at my house in Florida.
Stop. Okay. So what you want to do is when you change and you put the proper link in here, obviously this is the right one, you want to make sure that you have your scroll bars, don't allow scroll bars. You want to leave it like this. Because if you click on that to remove it, what happens is it gets very wide and it gets deep, and this particular page is just a certain size. So if you wanted to keep it inside the page, you don't want to click on allow scroll bars. But of course you can change the width. But the problem with that is it makes it bigger than the actual space. So my suggestion is to leave it exactly the way it is, and they will in fact be able to scroll down if they need to. I know, pretty cool, right? So we'll go back to this copy here. We go here to prosperity, and we put this in here, and I'm going to put in, and then hit tab, and lo and behold, the page shows up there, as it will when the event starts. So when somebody, if I click save and publish, like so, we can now go back to the page, and you will see this button, and it brings them to the same as this one here, just like we just created. So, as I said, when you send out the email, you can do either one. So what you do now is you click on your newly created Facebook app inside of Facebook, and you take this address right here and copy that, go back to your email, and you can, when you send the email out, which is scrolling down here, you can use this email subject, email body, and tonight's Hangout. So not only can you put in your link with your Power Network name at the end, but you can also put that link there as well. So when they see Facebook.com, they're going to see your name and the app and some random number. They can either click there and go inside if they're logged into Facebook and watch right on Facebook, or they can log here and go to the website and watch it there. Pretty cool, right? All right, so that's that. That is the how you invite everybody. You're going to get everybody's attention. You're going to send out some emails. You're going to take this copy here and you're going to go inside of Aweber and make an email and send that out to everybody. What you can do is you can schedule it to have it go out at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock on Wednesday evening. You can also set up another one as a reminder, and then the last one is 15 minutes before, have it go out at 7:45 and have it go out and say, we're getting ready to start. Are you there? Come here, and here's the link again. And again, send out the link inside with both the Facebook and the Prosperity Hangout link as well. And that is how that is done. So there's no excuse, if you take some action, which you better be doing, to not create an event, send out email, and promote the heck out of it. Because if somebody clicks on your link and they watch it and they click on join a team, they're going to be joining you. And you're going to be making money. And this is how and why this is so powerful. So everybody's on Facebook. Now you know how to make an app inside of Facebook and put the Prosperity Hangout right there. How to invite everybody, and how you can send emails to get everybody to your event either on Facebook or on your website with your link attached, so that you can make and get some new members and get them excited about the Hangouts that we have every Wednesday night. So I hope that was helpful, and if it was, please comment and share, and I will see you at the top.